Chip away at goals, problems, and solutions. Be present in the now. Feeling unmotivated, stuck, emotional, or just wanting to give up? You might be trying to tackle a problem or goal that's too big, move too fast, brute force a solution that's not working, or compare your Chapter 2 progress to someone else's Chapter 10, all of which can be incredibly demoralizing. You may be forgetting to reduce the friction between you and showing up to start progress, such as forgetting to lay out gym clothes the night before a gym session. You might not have clearly defined and deeply developed your problem or goal in writing, which can make it really difficult to understand and tackle effectively. All of these actions can insidiously implant the feeling that showing up and taking the first step, or just the next step, look way too daunting, so we give up. Remember, simply showing up is half the battle. In addition, each step you take, whether it's the first, 20th, or last, is a decisive victory and clear proof you can do this. The first step and last step are usually the hardest steps to take. But if you can create the conditions that help you show up, you are already halfway to your goal. Then all you need to do is focus on taking that next step, however small or however slow. Find the low-hanging fruit and crush them to build victory momentum. Taking that next step of victory proves you can definitely do this, and nothing is going to stop you from achieving your goals and living your values. Chip away every day. It's also important to remember we all suck when we start something new. We all face failure and a ton of mistakes, especially at the beginning of any effort, and especially champions, because they see mistakes more clearly and feel them more intensely than most. However, the beginning is like the surf zone of a beach, with chaotic and challenging waves. If you're trying to get out to sea, the hardest part is the beginning, which is pushing through these wild waves. Once you escape the beginning surf zone, though, the sea's generally calm and the journey becomes easier. Our habits transform us into the people we are. Consistency is king. So try developing the habit of taking a break to better understand the problem you're trying to solve, or the goal you're trying to achieve. Try developing the habit of showing up to start your journey. Try developing the habit of taking one more step in the right direction. Try developing the habit of getting back up after falling and moving forward wiser and stronger. Try developing the habit of taking bad options off the table for discussion, like quitting or harmful behaviors. Try developing the habit of asking yourself, how do I break down this big, tough problem/goal into smaller, easier ones? Try developing the habit of setting shorter timeframe goals to help you accomplish those crucial initial victories or maintain your current victory momentum. Chip away every day. Making progress is the key to building abundant self-confidence and self-respect. What's the opposite of progress? Regression and idleness. And what do they say about idle hands? A certain someone's playground? Not good. So be honest with yourself and ask, what small step am I actually willing to take right now? Identify this critical small step and then aim for it. Show up to start your journey or get back on the victory path. Watch as your small victories build momentum, grow your victory resume, and ultimately solidify your confidence and conviction. Imagine how you'll feel if you're victorious. Imagine how you'll feel if you fail to start or keep going and let down the people you care about most. Imagine proving your doubters and haters right instead of your loved ones. You can always make improvements as you iterate. Progress over perfection.